Porsche Cayman GTS. Next to me is an Audi TT RS Roadster. Next to that is the new Toyota Supra, and next to that is an Alpine A110 Litchfield. I've got a 2.5 litre flat 4 boxer turbo engine with 365 horsepower and 420 newton meters of torque. That Audi has a 2.5 litre 5-cylinder turbo with 400 horsepower and 480 newton meters. Also, it's all-wheel drive. The Toyota Supra has a 3 litre straight 6 BMW engine in it with 340 horsepower and 500 newton meters of torque. It's rear-wheel drive like this Porsche. And finally we come to the Alpine. It has a 1.8 litre turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, but it's been tuned by Litchfield, so it now has 300 horsepower and 405 newton meters of torque. All these cars have dual clutch automatic gearboxes, apart from the Toyota, which has a torque converter auto. However, all cars do have launch control, so we're going to see what happens.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, this launched so well. That Alpine's gone! No way! That Alpine's fast! This is not working out as I thought it would. Can I catch the Alpine? Drop the Toyota now. Wow, that was the complete reverse order to what I was expecting.
So then what exactly happened? Well, the Litchfield Alpine A110 did the stunning quarter mile in an incredible 11.5 seconds. The Porsche Cayman GTS took 11.7 seconds. Toyota Supra 12.1 seconds. And the Audi TT RS 12.4 seconds. This time was slower than expected for the Audi, as in the past they'd easily do under 12 seconds. It appears that following changes to the car's emissions for WLTP, its performance has dropped slightly, especially when launching.
Right then, now we're going to have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour. All cars are going to be in comfort mode, automatic for the gearboxes. I'm going to count it in. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, this kicks down fast. And it's me and the Supra. That Supra is quick. But the Porsche is creating a lead. And that Alpine's coming past the Supra. We are going quick. That Alpine's staying with this Porsche. Well, I think that's enough of that. I'm doing 164 miles an hour. We can call it a day. And I know we've got the Roadster version of the TT RS, but it weighs 1,550 kilos. The Supra actually weighs 1,570 kilos, so it's heavier. This is 1,450 kilos, which meant it had an advantage over the other two. But the Alpine, that's only 1,100 kilos, and that's going to help it out in the next and final test. Now we're going to have a brake test from 70 miles an hour. When we hit the line, full emergency stop. We'll see what happens. Oh, wow, that was so close. The Porsche won, but it's all pretty close to be fair.